Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete recordings on YouTube TV. It is super easy and I'm going to show you how to do it. So, as you know, YouTube TV lets you record shows by tapping the plus icon next to the show's title. It's added to your library under your saved recordings. To delete a recording, here's what you need to do. So head over to the YouTube TV app and tap on the library tab at the bottom or at the top. And here, you'll see all the shows and movies you added. Find the show you want to delete and tap on it. And then, tap the checkmark icon next to the title. So this will remove it from library and stop any future recordings. So if it's something you save to watch later instead, just tap on the three dots next to the video and choose remove from watch later. And that's it. Super simple. Thanks for watching.